kanisa na sisi ni kama familia. Baba na watoto. Mume na mke. There is nothing in the whole Bible that you will read and don't realize that God is actually talking about everything in family context. Kwa sababu ukiwa ni baba una watoto nyumbani, si ndio? Utawapenda watoto wako, kuna namna wale watoto wataishi na ndugu zao. It's just the same. The church, kuna watoto wa Mungu ndani yake. The church is the bride. Jesus is the groom. So everybody that exists in that church are siblings. And sometimes we don't get along with our siblings, but we don't go cut them off like, you know what? You're not my sibling anymore.
You can't do that.
It just doesn't work. So most of the time, people who are hurt in church, I believe siblings fight and stuff like that, but that doesn't mean kwamba upendo wa Mungu haupo. It's just sibling fight. Na ndo maana everything ambacho tunapewa ni equip us to live together in love, because God loved us first. And church is not really a place where perfect people are found. It's just people like claiming they're perfect. But it's the same as hospital. Huwezi ukamkuta mtu mzima hospitali. It's the same thing as church. Church, tumekaa watu ambao tumejigundua kwamba we need help. So tunavyoingia mule kanisani, of course we are going to find liars in church. Hakuna mahali kuna waongo kama kanisani. Hakuna mahali kuna wanafiki kama kanisani. Hakuna watu ambao wanaumiza watu kama kanisani. And so is everywhere else. But these people have just come to a realization kwamba we need a savior and we're not perfect. Na tunataka kupitia that whole journey of being like Christ. It's a journey. Mwana, inawezekana wewe mimi ulivyokuja kanisani nikakuzingua. Maybe I was a baby then. Mwana, maybe you had to have little patience ya kunisubiri nikue, then nikaondokana na ile. So yeah, so people have this church mentality because of people, but in real sense, it's the same way as family. Huwezi ukawaacha familia yako.
Absolutely, yeah. It takes time to appreciate that and learn that.
Really,
of course, inasaidia kama ukiweza kukutana na mtu au watu ambao wakakusaidia kuliona kwa jicho hilo.
Yeah.
Kwa hivyo usipopata, then you have to discover it by yourself.
Yeah.